Have you read the book of Jeremiah from the Hebrew Bible recently? Jeremiah, a prophet and priest from the tribe of Benjamin, lived and ministered at the end of the First Temple period. He accepted his prophetic calling, faced ridicule and persecution, and courageously preached calls for repentance in Jerusalem. Jeremiah foresaw the destruction of the city and the temple and walked the path of struggle for righteousness and faith. Join me on a special tour in Israel, visiting key sites that tell the story of his life. Ein Prat, a wonderful oasis near the Judean desert, Gei Ben Hinnom, Valley of Hinnom, the fearsome valley identified as a place of prophecy and human sacrifice. And of course, we will explore the deep history of the old city of Jerusalem, where Jeremiah fought and eventually ended his days. Join Israel in You for a fascinating journey following the great prophet between the wild nature of the desert and the rich history of Jerusalem, a profound spiritual and historical experience that will connect you to the heart of the biblical story.